Good morning, guys. We are walking up the hill and we're going here. Stop it. David!
What?
Private. I just want to have a look. It's flat.
That's amazing. How did you get this here?
It's on top of the hill, this bowling.
Lovely.
It's nice. Bowling club. There you are.
Little clubhouse, teeny thing.
Oh, look at this.
What a beautiful spot to go bowling.
On top of the hill. Look at there's a small. Yeah, look. Okay, guys, we're going to walk back down now. It's Sunday today anyway. It is the 3rd of May. Ayan,
Oh, that just, no, it's not.
mga kahoy. We're going back down the hill. Look, the camera, this is nice. This is your old Honor.
Okay. What, in Vivo?
Oh, Vivo, not Honor. It's front and back. It is a bit cold today compared
It
yesterday.
is chilly. The sun's come out.
So beautiful flowers. Like Pepper and Peanut are just happy working even if it's wet. We're definitely going home after your appointment because it's just wet.
Yeah, okay.
That house will be cold maybe. It's a nice house though.
I'm going to get those clam shanks out the freezer and those tonight.
Sunday meal, Sunday dinner. So yeah, we're just walking.
We've got a fennel food shelf. It'd be nice to go with that one.
Look at that. Beautiful powder. Okay, I'll see you at the bottom of the hill. Hi, we're on the other side of the road. We're just walking up the hill again. There. We are going up there. So kung makikita niyo sa likod, it's going up. Sige, pahala, akyat. Yan si Pepper si Peanut. Parang wala lang sa kanila. Ganda. Oh. It's man-made. There you are. Come on. There we are again. We're just walking. Came from down there. Now we're up on there. It's, I think 11 o'clock now in the morning. The speed limit here is 20. 20. Tinitingnan si David doon sa likod ko.
Can't believe you've got such big houses like this built on the side of the hill.
But I want to walk here on the side.
Man looking out of the window there.
There's a lot of fake person here. Fake person. How do you make this? So we are now on top of the hill. Are we going down now?
Going down there.
And then
Round to the car. Sorry, Mavanu.
Vanu. Mavan.
So came down here.
Mavan. Ah, yeah.
Okay.
Yan, noong nag-camping kami nung una, umalis kami dito kami dumaan. Steep hill. So, pinuntahan lang namin. Nandoon kami sa baba, doon banda. Maganda maglakad ngayon. It's a nice walk now because it's not busy, is it?
Yeah.
Sunday morning. It's not early morning, it's late. Ganda ng view nila dito. That's the view.
I want to know how these houses don't slide down there.
Ano? They're concrete. Binuin na fella. There's a car coming. It's coming this way. So, yan. Ganda ng ano. Yan, yung sasakyan. Kasama ko sa picture. This is our morning walk here in Hebden Bridge. Hebden Bridge, is it?
Correct, yes.
Why this is bridge? Not Hebden Village. Nice flowers, golden road.
Right away. Right away to Jack Bridge. Why do you have to swap underneath? Okay.
There's a car. Tabi tayo kasi may sasakyan. There we go. Car! You walk on the footpath. Yan, may simbahan dyan. I think it's a church and graveyard at the same time. Look, the time is 11:25. Oh, that motorcycle is going up. You walk on the footpath, you can't see the dog, the things. You can't even hear them coming. So, ayan. Yung kot ni David kailangang linis.
Oh, nice houses. What a stupid place to build houses. Right on the side of the
It's nice, yeah. It's just dangerous when there's a landslide and what's this? Flood. You know, in Philippines now there is volcano erupted. Yeah. Sure. There's a car. There's a car. Private parking.
He obviously knows his way around.
Yeah. Why do you walk in the middle of the road? Why do you walk in the middle of the road?
Oh, well, it's great stuff. Crowded in there.
It's crowded. Sabi ko na nga, simbahan tapos cemetery.
Do you like living in that house right next to all these graves?
No. No. Thank you.
Robin?
Robin is helping out. St. James Parish Church of Hebden Bridge. There's a car. Just like there's a lot of cars now.
Yeah.
Helen, the daughter of Samuel. So, meron tayong eyebags. Natulog naman ako ng maayos. Tapos natulog ulit ako ng umuulan. Umuulan kanina. Natulog ako sa loob ng van. Dahil habang naghihintay na tumigil ang ulan. Pero hindi talaga tumigil. Kasi ngayon, hindi siya gaano malakas na. Taligsik na lang. Court. Mython Court. Masan? Mython Court? Yan. Tapos uuwi na magdadrive na si David pupunta doon sa hospital. You're in Halifax? Halifax?
What's Halifax?
Calderdale?
Yes.
May appointment kasi si David para sa titingnan yung ano niya, yung puso niya kung tumitibok pa. May ano kasi si David na stent. Minsan nahihirapan na siya uminga pag paakyat siya. Maglalakad paakyat. Sila there's an ambulance there. You can ride the ambulance. So, dito tayo sa may bus stop. Naglakad kami dito kahapon. Ng hapon. Pumunta kami doon sa may Central Village. Sa open market. Hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa van. Ayan yung van. Then may boat dun sa taas. And then dito yung pub. Yan. Yes. So yan, we're going now to the hospital. Ay. Yan. Bye, Pub. Pub. The Stabbing Wharf. Ang paramisa yun. Iwanan na namin yun. Doon kami nagpark. Yung kapitbahay namin umuwi na rin. So, there's a car. It's busy. Busy. There's a car coming this way. Let's why is it busy?
Because it's busy.
Think it's okay. Oh. No. Oh, where's this cars coming from? We're going! Yes, David and the dogs are just somewhere there. They're just there.
So yeah, so people come down.